Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coralie. Hello. Today we're doing a weekend vlog. So today is Saturday the 18th, I believe. I don't even have like a clear outline of my day just yet. I do know like the things I have to do, so I'm gonna just do my skincare and then we can I will eventually I know y'all see what I circled, and so I'm gonna ask for your forgiveness and just ignore this, please. Thank you. Continue the schedule for today. There's a lot going on, you guys. There's a lot going on. Vlogmas, okay, I know I'm not doing like a full version of Vlogmas, and I feel like every time I want to complain about it, I'm like, you're not doing a true version of Vlogmas anyways. While that's true, it's still like 3 videos a week. Like I have not pumped out 3 videos a week in so long. Actually, there's a video that was supposed to go up yesterday, but I had to film it yesterday because a lot of things were happening at the same time. And so that's going to get uploaded today, but it's pretty much ready. I just have to do the thumbnail. That's the first thing we're gonna do today. I have to eventually declutter my makeup and film a video about it, so I'm not going to vlog that. I think I might also like clean my whole makeup area that I might vlog, because when I tell y'all, there are so many boxes next to my makeup station / tables. It's not okay. It's really not okay. I'm actually pretty disappointed in myself for it being as dirty as it is. I'm gonna have to vacuum and do all this thing. Let me present you the schedule. I'm gonna pop it right here over the Christmas decorations. Okay, so I have to get the video ready for today, so I just have to write the description box, make the thumbnail, everything that you have to do when you post a YouTube video. If you guys ever want me to do a video in depth about that, I will. I don't mind, but I just don't want to bore you right now. Next, for 2 hours, we're gonna declutter and clean, because girl, this makeup area is bad. And also I need to film my declutter video, and so because it's kind of my end of the year / beginning of the year tradition. I always post it around December or January. I'm like, let's declutter, let's get rid of the makeup. Then I'm gonna plan some content this afternoon. I'm gonna edit the decluttering video. I'm gonna do some brand things. By the way, if you guys don't know, if you're watching this, I have a planner company. The schedule that you're seeing is done on my daily planning template, and I have released 2022 planners that are already out on my website, so you can check the boldplanners.ca website, or I'll have the link in the description box so you guys can check it out too. Then I'm going to make sure that the video for tomorrow 1 p.m. the decluttering video is uploaded, thumbnailed, and everything, because your girl needs to get that shit up. That's basically the schedule for today. Love that there's nothing to study. By the way, I'm done with my internship. I don't know if I said this. I am a free woman, okay? And I'm just really happy about that. Anyways, so that's that. I will see you guys in the time lapse. Oh my god, by the way, I got a monitor. Anyways, you're gonna see. Girl, voice-overing time lapses is so much more fun than just leaving them be. So anyways, as you guys can see, I'm kind of dealing, this is the YouTube studio space for creators, where you basically edit everything, your description box. I was doing timestamps, tags, putting video cards. Then I was making the thumbnail. As you can see on my iPad, I was watching Smokey Glow because I love her. She's amazing. But yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of things going on all at the same time. Look at my pretty monitor. That's it. I'm gonna start decluttering, but for my declutter, I'm not gonna film anything because I really want to keep it for the video. So if you guys want to check the declutter, it's gonna be up before the vlog, so you can click right here to check my decluttering video. I'm realizing how bad it is, not only the quantity of makeup that I own, but just the dirtiness of everything around it. Anyway, I just got done decluttering my entire makeup collection. Look at that. Look at that. It's this whole basket full of makeup, full of things. Some of it is expired, so I'm going to have to throw it away. Some of it is in almost perfect condition. Sometimes I get makeup items and I don't necessarily use them, and so I'm gonna sell them on Poshmark for obviously very discounted prices. So if you guys want to check out my Poshmark, I have it linked down below. I'm really happy that I got rid of everything I could possibly get rid of. I have one empty drawer, which hasn't happened in at least 2 years, I think. I'm gonna try to not fill it with more makeup. I'm gonna try to be good about it, because obviously I don't want to be wasting anything. But yeah, for a while I'll probably go through this makeup later. I'm not doing my makeup today, so I'll be fine. But oh my god, this is insane. Insanity. I don't think you guys understand how many boxes were hanging around
my beauty station. Like whether it was things I had purchased, Amazon, Beauty Bay, PR, whatever it was, there were so many boxes. There's like so much going on. I'm a little bit overwhelmed. I'm not gonna lie, because I'm like, Jesus Christ. I mean, of course I was like doing a bunch of things. It's not like I let myself go beyond realms. Like my room has been clean this whole year, which is like my achievement. It was on my mood board. I really wanted to do that, but I definitely didn't pour enough of that energy into my beauty space, and I'm going to clean it today and tomorrow and for the next few days. And I want it to remain clean. What I was able to do is that I was able to keep my countertop, the one that I used to like film and do my makeup, clean most of the time because I got the basket. And so what I'm going to do is really like try to keep that effort for just all around, so that it's just like cleaner and just more fun. And you know, it just gives you a little bit of peace of mind. So I'm going to put all of this in recycling, and that's that. It's literally so gloomy outside. It's very ugly today. You know, it's winter here, so are we really surprised? But sometimes it's winter and it's kind of pretty. Anyways, I have a bunch of things to say. First of all, you guys know I am scared shitless of driving, but I just booked like 3 classes like back to back. I was trying to do some good for myself, but then the lady that was like booking classes, she made a mistake. So actually, I don't even know if I have a class. So there's that. Like I literally booked like one Monday, one Tuesday, one Wednesday, and they're 2 hours each. Like the program I was interning, I was teaching people about like exposure therapy, how like avoiding things can actually increase your anxiety about them. And like while I was telling them, I was like, I am such a fraud, because I've been like hardcore avoiding driving classes, and I really have. I would give myself any and every reason to not take them. Like, you guys, I can't. Like, it's, my fear is not so big that I wouldn't, like when I get into the car, I can't drive, but like it's so stressful for me. I really don't like it at all. I hate driving so far, but it's like a necessary skill, and my learner's permit expires in like February, I believe. February? I can't fucking say that month. And so I'm just waiting for syllabuses to come out for the winter semester, and then I'll probably figure that out. I can't believe we're in December, honestly. I'm like, everything's going really fast, and my classes are not now, so I'm kind of happy about that. It's like first week of January. It's like the 3rd, the 4th, and the 5th. And then after, I believe I have what? Moving on. Let's not talk about this anymore. I'm going to do some social media planning. I'm sorry if I'm so slow. I'm really tired actually right now. Like, I don't know. I have a crash or something. I just ate, obviously, so that might be it. I'm going to do some social media planning, but because a lot of it has to be on my phone, I'm going to not record it. And then I'm probably going to watch Hawkeye as I'm doing it. And also, I've been watching Wheel of Time. I really like Hawkeye. I've been watching Wheel of Time on Amazon Prime, and it's actually kind of good. Like, I was like, oh shit, like that's kind of good. It's really good. And they have like new episodes every Friday. And so I didn't watch like either Hawkeye or that. And so I want to watch The Girls. Oh my God, this background is kind of fun. I just wanted to tell you guys that there is going to be a flash warning. I'm going to put the timestamp on the screen simply because I didn't realize that I was filming a time lapse and that the lights flashing behind me would be flashing, even though in real life they were like smoothly transitioning. So I'm just putting the warning. If you guys have epilepsy or any adjacent symptom, please be aware. I will put the timestamps. For all the people without epilepsy that might be watching this bit, I was watching a little bit of The Wheel of Time while my footage was actually transferring, but then I was actually editing like the responsible adult that I am. And as you can see, I was pretty deep in my bed. I'm gonna be honest, that day I felt absolutely zero motivation to do anything, so that's that. Hello, it is I. Good morning. I'm sorry. I have a problem with this accent. I'm trying to get through it, but meanwhile, we're not getting through it. Okay, so let me show y'all what I do to do my morning coffee. By the way, I didn't vlog Sunday yesterday because it was just too much. I really like being alone, and I feel like when I'm alone, it just gives you guys a better view of what I actually get done, and I don't get roped into anything like family related, right? Like yesterday, I was like vacuuming the whole house, and like that's fine. It's fine that this happens. It's normal in a household that your children help you like maintain the household, okay? I'm not complaining with that. I'm just saying that more often than not, when I have a plan and it's not like during the semester, my parents like, oh, could you do this? Could you do this? And because I always like say I can't during the semester because I'm trying to juggle so much, I just feel bad saying no. And like I said, I strongly believe in delegation when it comes to like house
tasks and household activities. So I was like, yeah, of course I'm doing it. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna present to you the schedule when we go downstairs, but I need to eat breakfast. So I can tell you though that this morning we're gonna cook for 2 hours, so it's pretty late. It's like 9 a.m. I had an alarm, but I was just so tired I like slept through it. I didn't care. And so I put a little bit of ice in this glass, okay? Sorry, I'm not even talking about the coffee bar. Then I'm gonna go in with the, what is this? Starbucks iced coffee blonde roast. Now, I do wanna say, I got this blonde roast and then a medium roast that I have downstairs because I want to see which one I prefer, you know, because I'm just so tired. I'm just gonna fill it up. This is a very visual thing. There's not much measuring, so it kind of looks like Coke, does it not? This is coffee. Then I'm gonna take this International Delight Hazelnut Creamer. I'm a hazelnut creamer kind of gal. By the way, this isn't sponsored, but it's like, we got like a good food box and I'm gonna, oh, do you see this? Perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna eat breakfast and actually we're going to cook. So I guess I'll present to you the rest of the schedule today. I'm just doing my housely duties of cooking the good food. Anyways, with that being said, I will see you. For you, it's gonna be a second. For me, it might be around like 40 minutes. So yeah, see you. Here's my cutting board. This is my overhead tripod. I'm trying to set it up so I can time lapse the cutting of everything. I'm not a very ingenious cooker, so what we're making is we're making this. It looks quite good. Anyways, when you order from like these food services, they just send you like a bag with everything that you need in order to like make the food, except for like basics. Like if you don't have olive oil, salt, or like an egg at home, but probably girl. So I'm gonna set this up. If you can hear the dishwasher, I am so sorry, so many things are going on at the same time. This is what being a real adult feels like. It's like doing all those chores. And anyways, cue the time lapse. Also, wait, the schedule for today. So we're cooking this afternoon. I'm gonna do my makeup. I literally put an hour and a half to film some TikToks slash reels slash shorts, because I have to film some for myself, but for my brand Instagram also. If you guys don't follow my brand Instagram, it's at Bold Planners on Instagram. I will have all the links in the description box down below. I feel the need to like, you know, obviously promote using reels and everything, so I'm gonna film all of those when I'm full beat.
The first thing my mom told me when she saw this, she was like, oh, are you trying to imitate BuzzFeed Tasty? So on that note, yes, I am living my BuzzFeed Tasty fantasy. But yeah, as you can see, girl, your girl, she's cutting up things. She's putting the meat. I'm so sorry if you're vegetarian. I know like this can be like not fun to watch. Anyways, I was making some meatballs and everything. So yeah. Okay, if my knife skills scare you, I can assure you I have never gotten hurt handling a knife as much as I've gotten hurt burning myself. So don't be worried for me. Everything's kind of cut, everything's prepared. All the vegetables that we cut are kind of going to be used raw. It's just for decorations. It's like a salad moment. It's like the goal is to like assemble it at the end. What I'm now going to do is go onto the stovetop. I don't have the facilities for that, big man, so I will not be filming that. Just trust me. I will show you the final result, okay? Fear not, okay? I'm not good at plating, okay? But basically, I did it. It looks very nice. It's only 11:30, but I'm gonna eat because this morning, you want to know what I ate? I drank an iced coffee. I had some carrots. Some like, you know, the tiny like shaved down carrots, the baby carrots. So I'm gonna eat this. It looks really good. I'm convinced it's gonna be great. And yeah. So if you guys saw my lasers video where I decluttered all my makeup, some of this makeup is expired, some of it I just can't give or donate. And so I have my little garbage and I'm just gonna filter through it. And the empty drawer that I had, I decided that I would put all the makeup I'm selling on Poshmark. And so I'm also gonna have to like create things for those. So that's basically what I'm gonna do now. I don't know that I'm gonna time lapse. I'm just gonna watch The Great on Prime Video. I really like that show. Oh, it's not focusing on my face. It's making me look overexposed. Oh no. No, do I look good? Oh my god, why am I so overexposed? Older, younger brother is done with school today, and then tomorrow my youngest young brothers, my youngest little brother, I don't know what I'm trying to say. The other brother
was still supposed to go to school, but now the government has just announced that school is off for everyone right now, which is very reminiscent of the first wave of COVID. But anyways, that was the first thing, and I was like, we need to go to the movie theater so we could watch like Spider-Man No Way Home, because I was like, so I go onto the movie theater website, and it says that they literally, and I really like going to this movie theater because you can save seats, and saving seats allows you to not only get a really great place, but to not be too close to other people, which I was like, you know, in a time of pandemica, we don't want that. And so I was looking on the website, and it was literally, it's like, let me tell you, it literally says, based on recent government directives, this location is temporarily closed. We'll reopen as soon as we are allowed. All bookings will be canceled for a full refund. It says, stay home, eat popcorn. But baby, I need to watch No Way Home. They have a watch at home tab, which is great, amazing. But like, I don't mind watching it at home. Like, although it would have been so fun to see it in the movie theater, I don't mind watching it at home. But right now they only have the pre-order available, and so I don't know when it's gonna be available to watch at home, since we are literally in lockdown right now. Well, kind of. COVID never left for me. We were always in COVID, but we're like in semi-lockdown, I would say. So this is not fun. I'm probably gonna look up other movie theaters, but I feel like if a movie theater is closed, chances are the other ones are gonna be closed, because they wouldn't like spoil their business like that, especially not with this Marvel release. Anyways, I'm done doing my makeup. I was currently filming kind of TikToks for my personal TikTok. Suspicions confirmed, all the movie theaters are closing, and they're literally closing from like 5 today, and that's not enough time to watch the movie, to like get there and watch the movie. So I guess I will not be watching the movie. If any of y'all spoils in the comment, I will get you. I just have to navigate Twitter a different way when I haven't watched a Marvel movie yet. I remember I watched Black Widow pretty early on when it got released, and I was just like, I was looking, like, I was not spoiling, but I was looking at memes. I was like, yeah, I know exactly what the fuck is happening right now. And yeah, so this is basically it, okay, because I have to do some gift wrapping and working on my brand, and something that I'm working on I'm not showing you. I'm so sorry, I'm a mess. So this is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I have to do some brand things that I don't want to show yet, and gift wrapping, which is for another video. So I'm gonna leave you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the date. It's definitely not exciting. We didn't do much. I just discovered I couldn't go to the movie theater tomorrow, so that's kind of sad. Also, living my BuzzFeed tasty fantasy with that food time lapse I gave y'all earlier. I'm so sorry. This makeup is absolutely sublime, and I feel like we didn't talk about it. If you guys like me, my personality, or the content I put right up on YouTube, then feel totally free to subscribe to this channel, baby. We love newcomers. We are very common in vlogs. I promise, usually my vlogs are way better. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys sticking and watching this video. If there's anything you want to see, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.